Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. This is Rakshit here. How are you all doing? Ellaru hegidira? So the plan is to go ahead and install the top rack that I unboxed in the previous video. So I'm going to showcase what that box comes in, and because last time I just did the unboxing, right? A closer look of the components that it comes with, and then later I'm going to walk you through how exactly we're going to install it. Stay tuned. So folks, this is what it comes up with. It has two handles that's going to hold the sides, and of course the top rack. And this is the nuts what you get, and of course the toolkit that I use it for default. So let's go ahead and do the installing. So guys, just make sure that you flip the top rack, whatever. Make sure the angle is in this pattern. And so one small tip, while you're installing the nut, just make sure that it goes up from here. I'm using this pattern net, just an FYI. And then after you put this, just make sure that you put the one that's going to hold the bracket here. I'm sure. And then you're gonna put the washer in this way, right? And then you're gonna use this nut to tighten it up. So that's very important, so that it's gonna hold really strong. I'm gonna repeat the same process for all the 4 nuts. So guys, I've done the installation. So just make sure that the angle goes towards this way and not the other way. And I put all the 4 bolts like I said, and make sure you put the small spacer above the nut and not beyond that. So I'll go ahead and do the installation on the motorcycle now. So the first thing is to make sure that you remove these 2 bolts, and then the plate comes in, and then I'm going to put the other stuff. So just stay tuned. Alright guys, so I removed the grab handles. So just make sure that you remove the entire grab handles, and they give the slightly longer bolt for this. And make sure you place the spacers in this pattern, and then on top of that this thing is gonna come like this, which is this thing itself. Make sure that is aligned, just cross check once, and then again on top of this the grab rails of individual thing will come, right? So we'll just go ahead and install it. Give us a minute. Top of this you'll put a plate, and then on top of that you want to put a top box. So for demonstration I'm gonna use one of my cousin to sit on it. Nitin Nakurso. So here's 50 kg weight. ನಿನಗೆ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ತಪ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ವೇಟ್ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಪುಷ್ ಮಾಡು. ಸಿ, that is an example. Yeah. Guys, for purpose of this video I have added 90 kg, 70 kg and another 45 kg, and he's sitting on the plate. Nitin inna hinde bama salpa. Okay, so that is a demonstration. We will take it for a spin, and Sanket will test and come back and tell us the feedback. See, we have put that guy on this thing. So the folks are coming in, so let's check. I mean, the bike looks crazy, man. Lovely bike. ವೈಬ್ರೇಷನ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಸಂಕೇತ್? ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ವಾ? ನಿಂಗೇನಾಗಿಲ್ವೇನೋ? ನಿನ್ಗೆ ಹೆಂಗ ಅನ್ಸ್ತಿಂದ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕಂಫರ್ಟಬಲ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತಾ? ಹೌದಾ? Nice. Alright guys, I hope you liked the video of installation of top rack for ADV 390. So we'll catch you in another vlog guys. Thank you so much for taking your time and watching this video. The description has the link to buy the product, so just go ahead and check it. Thank you so much for taking your time. Good day. Bye.